Hello, today we are studying the topic which is universal law of gravitation. The statement of this law is every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two objects and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two objects. Now let the two objects A and B of masses capital M and small m lie at a distance of d from each other. Let the force of attraction between the two objects be F. F is the force of attraction between the two objects. Now, according to this universal law of gravitation, this F is this force is directly proportional to the product of masses. It is directly proportional to the product of masses of two objects. So we can write this statement in mathematical form as F is directly proportional to product of masses of the two objects. Give it equation number 1. And secondly, the force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between the two objects. So we can write this statement in mathematical form as F is inversely proportional to square of distance between the two objects. Let us give it equation number 2. Now combining these two equations, we can write as F is proportional to capital M into M upon d square. Now while removing this proportionality sign, we have to replace it by equality sign, and while we replace it by equality sign, we have some constant of proportionality. Here we are having this capital G as a proportionality constant. Rest is this. Now this is the equation for universal law of gravitation, where G is called as constant of proportionality, and here it is called as universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Now this equation can also be written as this F into d square is equal to G into M into M. We have just shifted this d square to the left side, and from this we can have equation for this G. So this G can be written as, keep G as it is, and shift rest of the values to the other side. We have F into d square upon M into M. This is the formula for capital G, that is universal gravitational constant. Now to have its unit, we can substitute the unit of all these physical quantities, which is the unit of force is Newton, the unit of distance square, distance की unit है meter, so the unit of distance square is meter square upon the unit of mass is kg. So here capital M and small m, these two are masses, so the unit will be equal to kg square. So the unit SI system unit of capital G is Newton meter square per kg square. So the unit of G is Newton meter square per kg square.